Hello, today I'm going to talk you through turning a 3D polyface mesh into a printable drawing that a customer could use. Why would you want to make a drawing from a mesh? The answer is you don't. You want to make them from solids. The problem is customers will send you meshes anyway. So let's get started. Import your model. Our client has sent us a DXF. Use the region command to turn the meshes into regions. Looks like the region command has missed a lot of meshes. Undo the region command As you can see, the drawing is tiny. The region command couldn't distinguish the distance between such close points. When importing, the scales can get messed up. This time, scale up the model by 1000 times. Repeat the region command. This could take a while to complete, depending on the power of your computer. Next, stitch the regions into one solid. Use the DM stitch command. This could take a while to complete. Be sure to save your work regularly. There is a good chance of your computer crashing during these processes. They are very intensive. Next, we'll use Brics CAD's drawing view functions to create 2D view. You can use the flat shot and section plane functions if you prefer. Once the views are drawn, export them to model space. It looks like a mess of lines. Turn off the tangent, hidden tangent, and hidden layers. Make a new layer for your drawings. Now we are going to use what artists call negative space to create our outlines to begin with. Put rectangle around the bottom view. Use the boundary command to create the outline as a polyline. Use the boundary command again to create the internals in polyline form. Turn off some layers to see your polylines more easily. Some tangent lines that you might want are still missing. We'll go back and repeat the process. In the process of making polylines with the boundary command, we have made too many overlapping lines. Remove them with the overkill command. We just have to manually trim away some unwanted lines. Now comes an important part. We will edit the polylines at the circles with the polyline edit command. We want to use the fit option. This turns the straight polyline segments into curves of best fit. Basically, it makes the circles truly circular and not polygons. This allows us to measure circumferences and find center points. Test that we can snap to center. Turn our drawing into a block. We'll use it a few times. We can now use our block in paper space to find circle centers if we want to take sections through them. We'll only do a section down the middle, but you could do multiple sections if you wanted. Export your section view to model space. Repeat the boundary and overkill and polyline edit / fit process. We can't get a clear boundary for the edge, so we'll use a different old-fashioned way of getting our lines. Make a 3D solid box. Move it to the center of our object. Use the Solid Editing's imprint function to imprint the outline of our object onto the box. Use the Solid Editing's Copy Faces function to extract the imprint from the solid. Explode the face, delete unwanted lines, and add the 2 missing lines. Turn the shape into a block for easy manipulation. Put the section block into position on the rest of the section. Clean up first, you'll need to overkill. We're just going to modify our bottom view so we can also use it as the hidden details for our top view. A note: because many of the curves are made of so many small segments, line type generation must be enabled for all polylines. If you don't do this, your hidden lines will appear as continuous and not dashed. We're turning all non-tangent lines to the by block setting for color, line weight, and line type. For the top view, repeat the boundary, overkill, polyline edit/fit process. Next, get your created views into viewports in Paperspace. To get your hidden lines and top view, copy your bottom view block. Change its layer to hidden and paste it under your top view. Then dimension and annotate. Hatch doesn't appear to be working here. We need to explode the block and overkill. It's quite a bit of work, but if that's what a customer sends you, then that's all you've got to work with. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.